Hi, this is Johnny. I'm just do a quick update. I know you guys are probably shocked by the fact that the image went crazy. I just wanted to make sure because people are telling me they are buying the JXD. JSD is good compared to AIW, but the customer firmware is not made for JSD. They very similar, look very similar, so I assume that it will work. So my apology. I went well I went and did the hack to make sure that what I told you is correct, and turned out I wasn't correct. So I want to correct that and I did a video and put it out just like a few minutes ago. The screen is only displaying 2/3 of it. I mean, the hack did work. It just the screen resolution is not right. So once we get that image resolution fixed, we are able to distribute the customer firmware that is made for JXD. Okay, so the resolution, even though look the same, that's the reason this one look prettier is because this resolution is different than the AIWO. This one's using the 1024 by I think by 600. Okay, and the other one is like 800 by 480. The AIWO, that one. So I put the original SD card back in here, and I only restore the full backup, the truss, the boot, the roots, and then what's the other one? The last one, the O. I didn't restore the last one. I only restored just the 6. The last one is not necessary. Just the 6, and it should put everything back to normal. So as you can see, everything is okay. I just click on A. Yes, loading. So yeah, the game, everything is back to normal. So no harm done to my system. So it's very important that you guys back up your own image and check out the address. Make sure the address you're using is the correct one for your system, because everyone have a different address on their system. Most of them are the same, but some of them may be different. So to be safe, to run that version Android tool 2.69, and to see what kind of address you need to do to back it up. And then once you back it up correctly, you can restore it back. So I just restored this back. Everything's running good, so it's good to go again. All right. So once I hear about once we get the customer firmware working and test it, we will let you know. But the one I gave you is work for the AIWO, okay? But it's not made for this one. All right. Okay. Talk to you later. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.